In this video, I will be telling you guys how to install the plugins for the WooCommerce WordPress. In this video, all you have to do is to follow the video till the end. Click on the description and you will be redirected to this page. Go to the e-commerce side on the bottom left-hand side of the screen and then click on Connect My Store. Here you will be able to install the plugins into your system. Just go ahead, there are two different plugins, WordPress, WooCommerce. Just once you click on that, it will redirect you to another page. Here just click on download the WordPress plugin and then download the WooCommerce plugin. I have already done so. Here you guys can see that. And once you click on that, it will show something like this. So this is the WordPress plugin and this is the WooCommerce plugin. So this is how you guys can do it. All you have to do now is to go to the WordPress and apply these plugin to your integrate these plugin to your WordPress admin account. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.